So I'm here with Dylan from Dylan Talks Tone at the Great American Guitar Build-Off, and he's going to tell us what his favorite things so far on the event have been.
Yes, obviously the people. That's the number one. I didn't include that in our little rundown, but dude, meeting everybody, this has been super fun. All week, all of the events are cool. So now we're going to talk about like stuff, actual products. We have an exclusive model that Texas Toast Guitars makes for us here at Dylan Talks Tone called the HST, and this is actually the second one we've done with a 3.5 inch or 3.5 degree neck angle, so like more like a Les Paul.
Yeah.
And it's really, really good. And so those are $2,500. We actually have another one down here that's a little bit more basic model. That's like $1,700 that you get to pick the pickups and we put them in, which is pretty cool. And then let's move on to the next thing.
You left one guitar out there that you should talk about.
Oh,
With that one.
this one. You want me to talk about this?
You should. You should.
So this is available this weekend. This is a prototype for one of the lines that Texas Toast Guitars makes for us. This is the Valkyrie model, and this is Alnico 2, Alnico 5, super custom engraving, all the stuff. So this is the prototype, and this is available actually on sale. These are $3,000. This is on sale for $2,500. It's the TikTok. That's pretty cool. And then let's go and I'll show you the next cool thing that I think is cool. Okay, so I have never heard before this week. I've heard of, but have never experienced for myself. Hendrickson amplifiers.
Those are sick.
Those little boxes are unbelievable. I'm buying them. I'm buying them. I already talked to Pete Hendrickson, and I'm buying them. They're like the first. It is incredible. They're incredible amps. So HendricksonAmplifiers.com, whatever. Go check them out, dude. They're unbelievable. They're only this big. They weigh 13 pounds, and they just feel freaking huge. And I absolutely love them. And I'm definitely getting them.
I agree. I played your Telly through that one.
Yeah,
It's on for the demo station. Super clean.
Yes.
Sounds very Fendery on clean.
Yep.
But also natural feel. Like,
super flat, and it'll do basically. I'm going to use it with a temper.
yeah.
And I'm also going to use it with acoustic top.
Yeah.
It's rad. It's super rad. And I think they're what, $9.99 or something for the single channel one. So super cool. So that's the next thing. We got to go upstairs for the last one. Okay, third thing is this, and this is probably the most important. The point of this whole weekend is that, what is there? Hey Matt, 45? I think so, yeah. 45 people built guitars, Telecasters, and entered them into the Great American Guitar Build-Off. They're going to be judged. Each of them had to pay $100, and so somebody's going to win $4,500 because they get all the money. And we built a telly that we're actually going to give away to second prize, which is pretty cool. So you're going to win a guitar. Second place is going to win a guitar. So come, just walk down here and look at the level. You know, if you just kind of quickly just scan down the line, look at the level of just workmanship and time and dedication to, and the fact that most of them have my pickups in them, and the dedication to all this work. I did the laser work on that one. Just unbelievable. And so for these folks to you know, I just think it's super cool. For these folks to put this much work in and to dedicate this much time and effort, and just to be part of this community, that is my third, but probably the most favorite thing about this whole week.
And I didn't have any like real expectations coming in other than I was hoping to be Dylan. And Paul Richards, of course, but to make connections with people, because like there's the corporate sort of like conferences you can go to, and those are like a little skeezy, but these are like genuine people, genuine
It's all hanging out, drinking beer, and talking about guitar stuff.
Can't go wrong.
Super fun.
Thanks, Dylan.
You bet, man. You bet.